Okay everybody, I'm making a lava farm. The idea was that I was gonna make an ender pearl stasis chamber, but I decided to make it some sort of different Minecraft project because, well, I really hope I don't get Doug marked for changing the project, even by a smidge, because, well, as I learned out the hard way, I don't know how to make an ender pearl stasis chamber. At least not yet. I do. And I do know how to make a lava farm. I've created one in my survival world. And the lava farm was introduced with a 1.17 up 1.17 update caves and cliffs with dripstone, which also allowed you to brew unlimited. Also could be used in the same way as lava with a potion or dyed water bucket, so that you only need to brew a potion, or make a dye for lever armor once. Only once. While they're all made of the replenishable resources, while with the lava, it was non-renewable until now. And they have to tell you lava is pretty useful as a death trap, to dispose of items, to make obsidian, you name it. And now I'm gonna use the power of creative mode and show you how it's done. First, I'll need this cauldron, lava bucket, the pointed dripstone, and cobblestone. You only need 4 things: cauldron, bucket, dripstone, container material. And I do have to admit, I'm terrible at playing one-handedly. Okay, once you place down your cauldron, make sure that there's at least you place down your dripstone. Oh, to make sure that it's at least 1 block above the cauldron, or else it won't fail. Then you must prevent the lava from flowing freely. Yeah, I know, the glare could kind of be obnoxious. Okay. There, I've placed down the lava, and if you look, you can see the lava go drip, drip off the dripstone and into the bucket. It will take a while to fill up, but if you are to set it up and you don't want an unnecessary forest fire, well, there's a good fix to that. There, the lava is now sealed up and it still goes drip drip. But I do warn you, it takes a long time. So make sure you have other stuff to do in the area, or or simple solution if you have enough resources is to expand it. Yes, it's in creative mode, but in survival mode, I do tell you that the things you'll need to do will be different. So like if you set up 6 of these cauldrons, that means you should begin the liquid rock 6 times as much liquid rock. Okay, and the pointed dripstones, because a lava farm is nothing without them. Okay, and then it's there. What you've seen here, I've taken my lava farm and turned it into a 2x3. That means 6 times the lava. And yeah, it's open ceiling, but you can see I had to make a few modifications. And the idea is to not let the lava flow freely, cause that could complicate things by a lot. And yeah, you should now know that is how you make a lava farm. Tyson out.